Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a topic which is very close to every investor's heart, that of timing the market. हमें बहुत ज़्यादा बार ये लगता है कि कहीं हमें कोई टाइमिंग की मेथडोलॉजी पता लग जाए, कोई टेक्निकल इंडिकेटर पता लग जाए जिससे हम मार्केट्स को टाइम कर पाएँ. हम अगर इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो हम फिगर आउट कर पाएँ कि मार्केट में बॉटम कब बनेगा. So let's suppose you are doing your SIP every month and God is on your side. He's helping you time the market. So you'll be a perfect investor, the most luckiest investor out there in the world. And he has been helping you do time the market for almost 32 years. तो आप 32 years तक every month 10,000 rupees SIP करते हैं. And every month he's helping you time the market. He's helping you pick the lowest point of that month where to invest. Now 32 months में आपकी जो investment रहेगी roughly 38.4 lakhs की रहेगी, which is 10,000 rupees SIP every month. Now let us call this investor Mr. Lucky. There is another investor Mr. Disciplined. Now उनको मार्केट के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं पता है, उनको टाइमिंग कैसे करते हैं ये नहीं पता, और मार्केट ऊपर जाएगी नीचे जाएगी उस सब को फिगर आउट करने का बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है. तो वो मिस्टर डिसिप्लिन क्या करते हैं कि ऑन द फर्स्ट ऑफ एवरी मंथ ही रिसीव्स हिज सैलरी एंड ही इन्वेस्ट्स द सेम अमाउंट 10,000 रुपीज एवरी मंथ इन द मार्केट ऑन द फर्स्ट ऑफ एवरी मंथ, क्योंकि उन्हें टाइम करने का ना तो टाइम है और ना इंटरेस्ट है ना स्किल है. And both of them have been doing this for 32 years, so around 384 months. Now what will be the difference? Take a guess. Now when I was doing this analysis, I thought कि 32 years तक अगर कोई perfectly time कर रहा है market को month after month, the difference between him and a disciplined investor should be huge. Something of the order of 100-200%, something like that. Now when I did this analysis, I was really surprised to figure out how small is the difference. In fact, I was so surprised that I reran my analysis multiple times and I had it cross-checked with other analysts also. The difference was so small, it was actually just 6%. तो Mr. Lucky, जिसकी तरफ God थे जो उन्हें help कर रहे थे time the market, he made about 2.48 crores in these 32 years by investing 10,000 rupees per month. Whereas Mr. Disciplined made 2.34 crores. So this is a difference of less than 6%. Now imagine आप अगर कितना टाइम लगाते हैं, कितना एफर्ट लगाते हैं सीखने में कि मार्केट का बॉटम पिक किया जाए, उसी पे इन्वेस्ट करेंगे. बहुत सारे हम वीडियोस देखते हैं, कोर्सेज करते हैं, जस्ट एक ये चीज़ पिक करने के लिए कि इज इट द राइट टाइम टू इन्वेस्ट इन द मार्केट. All of that would just lead to maybe just about 6% additional returns on your portfolio over 32 years, which is not that meaningful given that you would have spent so much of time investing in learning how to time the market. Now let us consider another investor, Mr. Unlucky. वो इतने unlucky हैं, again for 32 years same SIP of 10,000 rupees, and he's so unlucky that he ends up investing at the top every month. Now, how would he be placed? Now, I was really surprised to know that even his portfolio was about 2.2 crores after 32 years, which is not that bad. Pretty decent amount of money. And if you compare him to someone who has been just putting his money in FD because he is very concerned कि markets कभी भी गिर सकते हैं, so he just does not like putting any money in equity markets. तो Mr. FD का जो corpus होगा in these 32 years, it will be about 1.44 crores. So even if you are the most unlucky investors, you end up investing at the top every month for 32 years. Even in that case, you will end up making 2.2 crores, which is 50%, almost 50% higher than what Mr. FD would make. Now this analysis, I think we would have heard that quote quite often, that it's not timing the market, but it is time in the market that matters most. I think this analysis is the perfect example of that specific quote.